Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power sunroof. Inside you'll find backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, power passenger seat. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.